Yung recipe, special kind of recipe cooking. Disclaimer lang po para sa ating mga bashers at para sa ating mga marites na yan. So, ayan guys, so medyo half-cooked na siya. Nanay mong pagkaon.
Hi guys, this is Kuys and welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, this is Kuys. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, magluluto tayo ng chicken with beer and pinya. Dahil birthday ng kapatid ko guys, so lulutuan ko siya ng special kind of cooking. Yung recipe, special kind of recipe cooking. Special kind of recipe. Ito yung gagawin natin. Red horse sana yung ilalagay ko guys, but nahirapan ako maghanap ng red horse dito. So, I choose the Budweiser because it's the closer beer to the Philippines. Wow. So, ito yung lulutuin natin ngayon. Watch this. So, ayan na po guys. Ito po yung mga ingredients natin. So, we have the chicken. We have the white onions. We have the turmeric powder with the black pepper. I have the chili powder. We have, it's a seasoning. It's a chicken seasoning. We have, this one is a powdered garlic with parsley. I have the magic syrup. Have a Filipino taste, and then I have the pineapple and also the pineapple juice, and of course ang bida natin ngayon is a Budweiser beer. So guys, disclaimer lang po para sa ating mga bashers at para sa ating mga marites na yan. Sasabihin nila kung bakit ako naglalagay ng beer sa aking food. It is for flavoring, it's not for alcoholic purposes. So guys, kung alam nyo, pag i-heat nyo yung alcohol, ma-evaporate yan, mawawala yan. So ang kukunin lang natin dito, ang flavor. So, this food is good for kids too. Hindi ito makakahubog. Makakalasing. Hindi ito makakalasing guys. We are just getting the flavor. It's not the alcohol. So yung alcohol mamaya, ma-evaporate po yan. So ayan guys, nahalo ko na lahat ng mga powder ingredients natin at saka ang ating soy sauce and also the pineapple juice. We will marinate the chicken for 1 hour before cooking.
1 hour later.
So, ayan guys, nalalagyan na natin ng oil ang ating frying pan. And then, lalagay na natin ang chicken. Ayan. Hindi po natin ipa-fry ito guys. Ilalagay natin lahat dyan. Pati yung ano niya, yung marinade niya. Parang adobo style. Yun lang. Napakadali po. But later on, pag medyo ano na siya, lalagay na natin ang ating beer. So ayan po, tatakpan po natin at we will let it simmer hanggang sa half-cook siya. So ayan po guys, habang hinihintay po natin ang ating niluluto dyan sa likod, shoutout ko muna po si Rickysee Travel Vlogs. Thank you so much for your support, Rickysee. I really appreciate it for the comments of the video and the support that you have shown in the video. Thank you so much. So, ayan guys, so medyo half-cooked na siya. So, now is the time to put the beer. Nalagay natin ang Budweiser beer. Ayun. Wow. So, yan, nahubusin natin yan. Ayan. So, tatakpan natin. And then, we will simmer it hanggang maluto siya. So, ayan na po guys, pag kumukulo na po siya, you have to uncover it para lalabas yung alcohol niya, mag-evaporate yung alcohol niya hanggang maluto siya talaga. You will see the result mamaya. Yan, we are uncovering it para ma-evaporate yung smell at saka yung alcohol. Because what we are getting, again, is the flavor, not the alcohol. Wow. So, ayan na guys. So, yan na. So, nag-evaporate na yung kanyang water at saka nag-evaporate na din yung alcohol. Saka ito na yung ating chicken adobo in beer. So ilalagay ko na ang ating onion. Ilalagay mo yung onion pag malapit na yung maluto para hindi siya masyadong maano. So ilalagay natin ang ating red and yellow bell pepper. Ayan. Simmer lang natin ng another 2 minutes. So, ayan na po guys ang ating chicken adobo with beer and pineapple. Ang sarap-sarap po yan. So, mag-hire tayo ng taster mamaya. Ayan. Ayan yung ating taster. Siya, ay hire natin yan. So, titikpan niya ito guys at saka titingnan natin kung anong kanyang reaction. So, ayan na guys si Michelle. Siya yung taga-tikim. Michelle, ano yung smell? Ano yung kanyang smell?
Humot kayo, marakag nasa ka ng kuan, ka ng expensive, ka ng restaurant.
Sabi niya guys, ano daw,
Nikatag ang bahaw sa balay.
nikatag ang baho sa balay. Sige. Taste it and let me know. Sabi niya guys, mabango daw, parang nasa expensive restaurant. Char.
Lami ang...
Stilan. Tinood ka? Lami?
Lami, Jude.
Wow. So, sabi niya guys, masarap. Ang sarap-sarap daw. Wow.
Ako, ano lang yung sa kanya.
Sabi niya, sa kanya na lang daw yung isa. Lami. Yay! Ayan guys, kumuha siya ng rice kasi sabi niya masarap daw. Napakain siya ng hindi sa oras. Kaon na lang ko na siya. So, ayan po guys, successful po ang ating chicken beer adobo. At dahil birthday po na aking kapatid ngayon at nandun siya sa taas, isa-surprise natin siya guys kasi nga birthday niya. So, isa-surprise natin siya. Take a look at this. Nanay mong pagkaon? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to So, ayan po guys, thank you so much for watching my video. At hindi ko na i-explain kung bakit ganon ang birthday celebration namin ng kapatid ko. But the important thing is, we celebrated his birthday. And thank you for your support. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also, comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much guys. Bye.